How to set up office or company's location map in WordPress site using Elementor. So let's get started with the video. In Elementor dashboard, first you need to add the container to set up office or company's location map. Next, select and add this Google Maps widget in the container. Now change the default location address to your office location address in the location field in the left side of the screen under Google Maps panel. You can zoom the office location using this zoom slider. Again, the height of the map can be set up using this height slider. And finally, publish and update the changes made to page. You can view the office location map in the browser now. And this is how the location map will look when visit your site. To stretch the map across the screen, you need to edit the container's settings. Select the container, and in the left of the screen, change the content width from box to full width. And under Advanced tab, enter 0 as the padding for the container. And now again, publish and update the changes made to page. And done, the location map has been stretched to full screen width in WordPress site. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.